Yo, what's good, YouTube? Welcome back. It's your boy TECHGOD. So today I'm about to show you guys how to make fire beats from scratch. Well, how I make fire beats from scratch anyway. But before you jump in, man, make sure you smash the sub button. We almost at 1K subs. Just try to shoot for 50 likes on this video. Also follow me on IG at TECHGOD Beats. So yeah, so how to make fire beats from scratch. Let's go crazy. Let's go to my desk, man. I'm gonna show you guys the gems. Let's do it. So for this tutorial, I pretty much don't really have a type beat or a certain type beat in mind, so I'm gonna just cook up and just let me know what you guys think. Alright, so I picked out a sound that I like. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just duplicate this, then I'm gonna bring it into the pattern. Oh, it's already into the pattern. Alright, so I'm gonna just clone that. So what I'm about to do is, so this is our main melody. So for the second sound that I'm gonna layer it with, I'm going to pick, let's try a bell. Alright. Try to lower it an octave. I didn't like that, so let's pick another one. Alright, that's fire. So now we got our melody. I'm gonna just drag it onto the mixer. Then I'm just going to one of my presets, drag it onto that master. And now we can start adding some drums. And then we're gonna, so we got two sounds for now. Our third sound is gonna be a vocal effect, but we'll do that after. Alright, so I'm gonna start with the hi-hats. So next we're gonna layer it with the clap. I'm gonna just go in, do like that. So also what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna route it to this track right here so we can EQ everything together. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just take out some low end. It's just a quick little mix on a melody. We got the claps in. Now I'm just start with this open hat. Just try to create something bouncy. Got something smooth going. Next is my favorite part, the 808. So this is what I do with my 808s. Kind of showing you guys my workflow right now. Let's go crazy. Boom, turn it all the way up. All right, that's fire. Next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and open Arcade. Then we're gonna add a fire ass little vocal sample. And the dope part about using Arcade is that you can lock in certain key signatures. So like the melodies in what, G sharp. So you just go to Arcade and it lets you, you know what I'm saying, lock in a G sharp. So I'll show you guys. Give and take. I like these hooks, these hooked samples a lot. So we're about to just choose our G minor. And now anything we play is gonna be in that key. So I'm gonna just go to this. Then I'm gonna just turn the volume down. There we go. Oh. Go like this. Bring it up to G. So what I'm gonna do is real quick, I hope you guys can hear me too, but while I'm playing the beat, but I'm gonna just add some reverb to this. Where's my reverb? Alright, so for this beat, I'm not gonna format it out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know down in the comments if you learned something. See y'all boys in the next one. Like I said, I'm not gonna format or anything, but this shit fire. Let's get it.